If you've clicked on this video, chances are you've heard the whispers, the rumors, and maybe even the bold claims that the Nikon Z9 isn't just another camera. It's the moment Nikon decided to rewrite its own destiny. But let me ask you something. Have you ever held a piece of technology that felt less like a tool and more like a statement? Like something that didn't just promise performance, but demanded your attention? That's the energy behind the Nikon Z9. And today, for the next little while, I want you to forget everything you think you know about cameras, specs, and photography tech. Because the Z9 isn't a list of numbers, and it's not just a flagship mirrorless body. It's a turning point, a line drawn in the sand. The moment Nikon looked at the mirrorless landscape and said, "Watch this." But before we dive into what makes the Z9 so different, let me take you somewhere. Picture this. You're standing outdoors, early morning, with that cool pre-sunrise stillness in the air. No people around. No noise. Just the soft hum of the world waking up. You lift a camera to your eye, and for a split second, everything becomes quiet. Every detail becomes crystal clear. Every moment feels like it matters. That's the world the Z9 wants you to step into, where every frame feels intentional. Because this camera wasn't designed to simply capture reality. It was designed to match the pace of the people who push reality to its limits. The filmmakers, the wildlife shooters, the sports photographers, and the creators who don't accept almost as an answer. So let's talk about the heart of this thing. The Z9 doesn't just autofocus, it anticipates. It reads motion like a language. It tracks subjects like it's reading your mind. Humans, animals, vehicles, even when they dart, twist, disappear, come back. The Z9 stays locked, confident, unshaken. You know how some cameras hunt for focus, searching back and forth like they're unsure? The Z9 doesn't do that. It commits, and that confidence changes everything. Whether you're shooting a football player charging full speed, a bird launching in a flight, or a model who keeps switching poses faster than you can think, the camera keeps up, or more accurately, you keep up because the camera refuses to slow you down. But I want you to imagine this moment. You're recording, and you're not thinking about overheating. You're not thinking about limits. You're not thinking about the camera telling you, "Stop, we need a break." The Z9 isn't fragile like that. Nikon built this body like a tank, not to intimidate you, but to give you the freedom to stop worrying about your gear and start focusing on your vision. Now, if you're watching this from the US, maybe you're a creator building a brand, a filmmaker working on your next project, or someone who just loves gear that doesn't get in your way. And maybe you've wondered, is the Z9 really worth it? Does it truly stand out? Let's talk about that. Because the Z9 isn't just about cool features. It's about removing the compromises we've gotten used to. Remember when mirrorless cameras were criticized for short battery life? Nikon said, "Okay, let's fix that." Remember when people said you had to choose between resolution and speed? Nikon said, "Why not both?" Remember when filmmakers had to plug in external recorders for raw video? Nikon said, "Nope, not anymore." And then, quietly, confidently, they put 8K 60p and 4K 120p right into the camera. Internal. No excuses. No apologies. But what I love most about the Z9 isn't even the specs. It's the philosophy behind it. There's a feeling when you use it, a sense that the camera is designed for people who push harder, reach further, and demand more from their gear. It's the kind of camera that doesn't complain when you take it into a snowstorm, or when you shoot for hours, or when the sun sets and light starts fading. Instead of struggling, it adapts. It keeps going. It pushes with you. And if you've ever used a camera that frustrated you, missed shots, limited you, or forced you to adjust your creativity around its technical constraints, the Z9 feels like breaking free. But let's slow down for a moment. Picture yourself shooting with it. Feel the weight. Not heavy in a bad way, but solid, reassuring, like holding something that's meant to last. That deep grip that tells your hand, "Don't worry, I've got you." And that shutter, or should I say, the lack of one. Yes, the Z9 is fully electronic. No, mechanical shutter. A bold choice. Some people doubted it at first. But the moment you take that first silent burst of 20, 30 frames per second, you realize something. This is where the future was always heading. And Nikon just got there first in a fearless way. Now imagine a wildlife photographer, out in the field, waiting for that split second when an eagle spreads its wings. Or a sports photographer at the edge of the field, capturing a touchdown moment that lasts less than a heartbeat. Or a filmmaker trying to freeze time in high frame rate 4K without sacrificing detail or dynamic range. The Z9 doesn't just handle these challenges, it thrives on them. Because the truth is, this camera wasn't designed for casual use. Even though anyone can enjoy it, it was designed for people who want to create something that lasts. Images that feel alive, videos that stay unforgettable. But let's talk honestly. Every camera, even a Z9, comes with a question. Is it right for you? So let's step into the mindset of a Z9 user. If you're someone who shoots once in a while, maybe you don't need something this powerful. But if you're someone who wants gear that grows with you, gear you won't outgrow next year, gear that feels like an investment in your craft, the Z9 starts making a lot of sense. Because cameras come and go, trends change, features shift, but the Z9 feels like something built to survive the next decade of creative evolution. Think about the firmware updates Nikon released, each one unlocking more potential, more features, more video codecs, better performance. Nikon didn't treat the Z9 like a finished product. They treated it like a platform, a foundation for years of improvements. It's like buying a camera that keeps waking up with new abilities. And in a world where gear gets outdated fast, that's rare. It's refreshing. Let's talk about the sensor. This 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor isn't just high resolution, it's fast. Ridiculously fast. It reads data so quickly you can shoot in situations where traditional cameras would distort or miss information. Fast motion becomes clean. Rolling shutter becomes almost invisible. It's technology built not for last year's problems, but for tomorrow's creative demands. And then there's the dynamic range, something you don't always notice until you really need it. Bright sky? No problem. Shadow details? Still there. Sunset shots, backlit portraits, nighttime city scenes. The Z9 pulls detail from places other cameras would surrender. But maybe you're thinking, specs are great, but what about the feeling? What's it like to live with this camera? Let me paint one more picture. You're on a shoot. Long day. Changing environments. A lot of pressure. Clients watching. People waiting. Every shot matters. And the Z9 becomes that one teammate who never gets tired. Never panics. Never gives up. Every time you press the shutter, it responds instantly, like it's saying, I'm ready. Let's go again. The longer you use it, the more it fades into the background. And that's the mark of great design. The camera disappears, and your creativity comes forward. That's what the Z9 does better than almost anything else. It gives you space to breathe. It gives you confidence. It gives you tools that don't get in the way. You start taking shots you wouldn't have attempted before. You start exploring angles you didn't think were possible. You start experimenting, not because you should, but because the camera makes you feel like you can. And maybe that's the true magic of a Nikon Z9. Not the speed, not the video, not the autofocus, but the freedom. Freedom from limitations. Freedom from compromise. Freedom from fear of missing the moment. Whether you're filming a documentary, capturing your kid's first baseball game, shooting in harsh sunlight, or chasing wildlife in unpredictable environments, the Z9 becomes an extension of your eye, your hand, your creativity. And when a camera stops being a tool and becomes a partner, that's when storytelling becomes effortless. By the time you finish using it, you realize something important. This camera wasn't built to follow trends. It was built to define them. Because the Z9 isn't Nikon trying to compete. It's Nikon reclaiming its identity, its legacy, its place in the world of serious imaging. And if you decide to pick one up, whether today or someday in the future, you'll understand exactly what I mean. The Z9 isn't just a camera. It's a statement about what's possible, not only for Nikon, but for you. And that's the kind of tool worth creating with, worth learning with, worth growing with. Because sometimes all it takes is the right piece of gear to unlock the next chapter of your story. And maybe, just maybe, the Nikon Z9 is that key.